Well, it's been a while since I've reviewed one of these. Hey everyone, Mark from the Spark here. Thank you so much for tapping play. So today we're going to take a quick look at the 30-litre hybrid backpack from Stubble. You may remember, if you're a long-time viewer of this channel, that I took a look at the yellow roll top bag from Stubble. I'll probably put that somewhere in a little box over here. I'll also link it at the end of this video for you to take a look at. And I really like that bag. I like the garish yellow of it as well. Quite nice. Anyway, after posting that video, Stubble got in touch and asked if I'd like to take a look at one of their other bags, one of their premium bags. Actually, this thing here is £175, and as I go through its features, you'll make up your own mind as to whether you think it is worth that kind of money. And truth be told, that video was posted a while back, so it's been many months, and I haven't had the chance in my schedule to take a look at this thing. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm probably going to have to shuffle the camera so I can show off some of the features. Okay, here we are. Right then, so the dimension of this thing is about 50 centimeters from top to bottom here. It's 32 centimeters wide, and it has a depth when it's fully open of around about 22 centimeters. Like I say, this thing is 30 liters and weighs around about 1.5 kilos. Obviously, as soon as you start adding things to that, that's going to increase the weight somewhat. However, to help you with that, you have this lovely airflow setup at the back here. So let's start with the shower. So you've got this sternum strap, easy to clip on and off to go in front of your chest here, and helps take some of the weight off your shoulders. That's always a useful addition. And if the bag like this doesn't have a sternum strap, go out and buy one and attach it to your bag. You will find it a lot easier to carry around. You've got plenty of padding on these here. Again, it's like mesh as well, so it helps with the airflow. And you've also got loads of padding here and here and here as well. Again, all mesh, so all helps with that airflow. And there's also a luggage section here, so if you want to pop it on top of some luggage handles when you're out and about, maybe in the airport or something like that, you'll be able to do that very easily as well. Okay, and obviously you've got these adjustable straps here as well, which you should have in any decent backpack. And you've got a handle at the top here. This thing apparently is waterproof. I don't know how much it would survive an absolute downpour, but they do suggest it is waterproof. And these materials here, which feels very smooth, by the way, a lot of recycled materials as well. So if you're into all that eco-friendliness, this thing should be right up your street. All right, so what else have we got going on here? All right, so we got a bottle holder here, or maybe it'll hold your brolly, something like that. Have we got one on the other side? No, we don't, but we do have a second handle here, so you can carry it more like a traditional kind of luggage rather than at the top there. So that's always handy. And you've got these things here, keep it tucked in. You haven't got it filled to the brim, or you can expand it like I've just done there as well. And I'll do that on this side as well, so it's easier to open up. And you've got this G-hook closure here as well to keep anything you've got stored in this section completely secure. That just goes in there like so. Anything else going on that I missed? So you've got these little hook things here as well, so you can kind of hook things on there, like, I don't know, keys or an air tag or I don't know, whatever else you can think of. You've got these little handy spaces here. All right, let's open up the first compartment, shall we? There we go. So if you look down here, very simple pocket, which I think you can access this from the inside as well, but we'll get to that in a minute. But simple, easy access outside pocket at the top there. And then obviously on the side here, again, she's got loads of space to put wherever gubbins you can think of in there. Very simple. Now let's find the zips to open up this compartment. And what I do like about this bag is you can open it all the way around, so it completely opens up. And there you go, that's that bit that's on the outside there. You can find it on the inside too. You've got some mesh pocket here. Right, a bit difficult to show you all on camera at the same time. There you go, put your clothes in there, strap them in there, keep everything nice and secure. Loads of room in there on that side. And on this side again, you got more mesh bags to put cables and whatnot in. I mean, they're suggesting this is good for, that's another bag. So there's a bag there, and then a pocket there, should I say, and then a pocket there in front of that. They say this is a multi-purpose bag. I think for £175 you want it to be. So use it for gym, use it for travel, use it for daily backpack. So if we open up the other main compartment here, the back also opens up all the way down. And again, opens up massively. There we go. So you would pop your iPad in there. Now, sorry, iPad or laptop. I mean, I rock an iPad most of the time. That fits. Oops, see that? That's a 13-inch iPad, fits nicely in there. That'll give you an idea of what you can get in there. You got a little pocket here. And then over on this side, you've got more pockets and good padding. And at the bottom here, there's a little bit of protection on this side, but obviously here, where you put on your laptop, there's quite a gap. So from there to the bottom of the bag. So if you slam that down, it's going to be well cushioned in here and very, very safe. They do say that you can fit in here up to a 16-inch laptop. So yeah, okay, I suppose you can. So 16-inch laptop compartment there. And does it have like one of those little side pockets, you know, like where you sometimes can hide like passports and stuff? No, it doesn't have it there. I guess it's more this discreet pocket here, but then you wouldn't want to put it in there because that's not very safe. So I suppose it's lacking that kind of side pocket at the back that goes against your back that helps you keep your documentation safe. But I'm not seeing anything like that here. So I've seen that on other bags, and it's very handy to have that kind of pocket that goes near your back. All right, okay, let me just pop my laptop in here and put it on my back and see what it feels like. So pretty good, I think. It feels nice, it feels great. It's very spacious. I mean, 30 litres, you can get a lot in there. It is adaptable. I would say that they are correct, you know, gym or work or travel. It can support all those things. I guess I'm missing the kind of passport pocket, if you like, that goes secure against your back. That would have been nice to have seen that. But it feels great, and it will protect your stuff. And it is waterproof. I've just checked on their website again. These zips here, all the zips, all the seams, everything is waterproof. You can see it kind of closes back up on itself there. So everything is going to remain safe and dry in here. You're not going to end up with soaked valuables, etc. What do you think about this? I thought it'd just be an interesting bag to show you. Stubble were kind enough to send it to me, and I did like I said, I did like the yellow roll top that they sent too. Haven't got an affiliate link for this, but I will pop their website in the description box below. Go check it out, go have a look at some of their other bags. In the meantime, if you do want to support the channel, please do go buy me a digital coffee. You can scan that QR code. Link is also in the description. And like the video, share the video, subscribe, and even hype. That would be awesome. Okay, so if you do want to watch that yellow roll top video, you can go find that there and let me know what you think. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.